Once you downloaded the data, once you have the data ready, you open the Power BI desktop and you connect to the source, you connect to the data source. Here in our case, the data source is Excel file. So you go to the get data option and connect to the Excel workbook. And the Excel workbook is this financial sample. You open this, you open and check the file here, and the data is in sheet 1. So I'm just selecting sheet 1 here and I say load. Data loads to my Power BI desktop. So my data is being loaded here in the desktop. Let's go to this data tab and see what the data is. Here we have multiple columns. We have a lot of columns here. We have columns for different years. If you see if you click on this filter, you'll be able to see all the distinct values. So we have data for 2013 and 2014 in this report. So anytime you want to see the distinct values, you just click on this and you'll see only the distinct values available. So you have all the distinct values here. So this is how our data looks like. You need to make sure that some of the numbers, some of the integer columns in the Excel, like year, they should not be summed up. So click on this year column and make sure you click on don't summarize, because you don't want to summarize that column. Once you do that, let's check if there's any other column. So there's month number as well. You don't want to sum the month number, so click on this and say don't summarize. That way you're not summarizing these. Are there any other columns here? No. So there's just year and month number, which the Power BI have applied the summation on them, and because you don't want to summarize those columns, you are saying don't summarize them and click on save. And when you click on save, just give a name to it. Now you save the data of this report.